Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop. Ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail,
I'm sorry?
to not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought.
I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that like I've been doing since I've been in here.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much.
Is there any way I could get treatment?
Ma'am, you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court, the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
I think I need treatment.
Ma'am, you were very clear, you've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I.
All right, everyone. Today, we're looking at a foolish criminal in court who's insisting she doesn't need help for her drug addiction. But just wait until you see how this unfolds. By the end of the hearing, the judge hands down a long sentence, and she's nearly pleading for the very treatment she claimed she didn't need. This one is crazy, it's intense, and honestly, it's extremely entertaining to watch. Let me know what you all think about her little act here. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's jump right into it.
I've been here.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, counsel, you can please part of your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to June 15th, 2023 and June 22nd, 2003. Did you fail to appear for a probationary instruction?
Yes.
And additionally, while on probation, you did accrue a new charge, correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violations. Enter a plea of guilty based upon your, enter a probation violation based upon your plea of guilty, and that would be technical violations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw the recommendation for 60 days jail. I asked that my client get credit for the time that she's been in since December 1st. I'd ask that it run concurrent with the admonishment that she's received from the charge that she just took a plea on. And then furthermore, she did ask that during this time in custody, if possible, she would like the opportunity to be tethered to treatment. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bolchak, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So I'll do the days, I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
Okay, ma'am, let me ask you a couple questions. Number one, if you don't think you need treatment, why did you ask to go to treatment?
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if I don't really know. Because
ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay, so, and you don't think you need treatment? Given what's been going on with you the last year, you don't think you need treatment?
Honestly, no. I really found myself in here. I've been spending time with myself. I don't know. I don't feel like I need a guy or anything. I don't know. I just want to get going on life.
Well, man, the way you've been going on life, not a great start. How old are you?
25.
25. And now you have 3 drug-related convictions. 3. Your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You're just go.
I don't know about you all, but I can really feel the tension starting to rise here. And honestly, I don't blame the judge for what she's about to do to this offender. I mean, the defendant was arrested on drug charges, which is already a serious matter since possessing or using controlled substances can come with heavy penalties depending on the state. Then she was placed on probation, which by law is a privilege, not a right. Basically, the court's saying, we're giving you a chance to prove yourself. But she did absolutely nothing with that opportunity. After that, she was sent to treatment, which judges often require because drug courts focus more on rehabilitation than punishment. And yet here she is, trying to bargain with the judge after failing to meet the conditions of both probation and treatment. If I were the judge, I'd probably lock her up for a long time, because at some point the system has to put public safety ahead of giving endless chances. What do you all think about her story so far? Let's jump back in.
I know, if I get probation this time, I told myself, like, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get like clean, and by summertime I'd be working. I really want to get a car. But aside from the job thing, just I want to draw and make music, and I don't know, I just want to do things for myself. And I like coffee again. I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like, I've been doing.
Oh yeah, she's been drinking water. Might as well let her back out on the streets. She's definitely ready to turn her life around now.
So I haven't
Hey, ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff? Right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to treatment 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different times. I know.
So you go through the motion. You go through the motions. So you just go through the motions. You don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, ma'am. I don't know. It feels different. It feels really different. I'm willing to go through any probation that you need to.
Judge, we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
Okay.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation. I can tell you that much. The court's going to, on 23405, the court's going to adopt the recommendation, revoke probation, close the case without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. On 23739, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. Your under advisement status is revoked, your probation is revoked, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. The court will note that will be served concurrent. And then the court's going to also order on 232479, the court's going to order 93 days jail. Credit for your 15 days. That's consecutive with 23739 and 23405. And the court will suspend your fines and costs on this matter.
What?
Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am?
So, how many days?
Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93 plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
And you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
no, that's
So
not.
you can do the jail time.
Ma'am, I'll do treatment.
And quite frankly, ma'am, with your lengthy warrant status and your absconding from probation, I'm not sure that you would not abscond.
This is honestly one of the funniest court hearings I've watched in a long time. This girl is just incredibly delusional. Like, what did she think was going to happen here? The judge already cut her a break by giving her probation, and she did absolutely nothing with it. Now she's sitting there claiming she doesn't want treatment, which is basically the same as asking to be sent to jail. There really wasn't any other choice for the judge. Jail time was clearly necessary. I don't even know if this was enough time. Honestly, she might deserve more just for lying to the court. But this girl seems to think probation is some kind of free pass, when it's actually a legal agreement to stay out of trouble and meet specific conditions. Instead, she's acting like it's optional. At this point, the judge probably feels more like a babysitter dealing with a kid who refuses to listen. She's definitely not the sharpest tool in the shed, that's for sure. Let me know what you all think about this sentence, and let's dive back into her case.
Ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do.
The problem was, when I went to sheriff, I got the people over.
I need help with housing when I get out of here. I'm gonna need.
I'm sorry?
I need help with housing when I leave here. I have my.
Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop.
Somebody in.
My court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
I really don't. I think I need treatment instead.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I asked for when I first came in. Because I do have a drug.
Judge, potentially, Judge, I know that potentially she might be asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand this docket does need to be moved along. So if necessary, we have to have the matter recalled later in the morning to potentially have it reevaluated. But I understand the docket does need to move along, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Bolchak, I'm not ordering treatment for you at this point because you stated that you don't need treatment and you only asked for it so that you didn't have to do jail time. Given that and the fact that you had absconded from probation with this court, the court is concerned that you're not going to abscond from treatment.
Boom. Just like that. She got 138 days. Honestly, I think the judge got it right here. Sure, 138 days might sound like a lot for a few drug charges, but let's not forget she completely ghosted probation, which is basically the court's version of a second chance. She had every opportunity to stay out of jail and completely wasted it. So at this point, what else is the judge supposed to do? Just let her walk away again? Yeah, I don't think so. Actions have consequences, and this sentence feels like the right balance between holding her accountable and giving her time to think things over. Maybe she'll even turn things around. Who knows? You can tell this girl is clearly full of it and comes off as really immature. I don't know if that's just me, but all the excuses and everything. She just can't own the fact that she messed up with her drug charges. Sometimes you just need to go to jail, do the time, reflect a bit, and change your habits. But hey, that's just my opinion. What do you all think? Was the sentence fair? Or do you think it was overkill? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more wild court moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you all. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.